Hello everyone. We will be discussing the English NET exam that had been asked in December 2024. This is an overall review. So these are some of the ways in which you can connect with us. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and our videos on YouTube. And you can also connect through Telegram as well. So we are going to start a full-fledged course in the month of January for your June 2025 exam. So we would like to request you to connect with us over this phone number presented on the screen, and we will be helping you with video lectures, PDFs, study material. We will also be having discussion on previous year question papers. We will also have mock tests and doubt clearing sessions, and we will be helping you to be updated with the movements in literature and every aspects that could help you for this UGC NET exam. So kindly connect with us. So to discuss the authors, poets, or questions that had been asked in the NET exam this time. So there had been a lot of quotation questions from drama, poetry. I to Sing America was a question, and you had options in the question such as Whitman, Emerson. Then you had this Ganga Sunken line. Most probably the answer is Eliot. And you had Sri Aurobindo and Emerson again in the options. You had an question. You had a question on success is counted, whose options were Hardy, Dickinson. Most probably the answer is Dickinson. You had a quote on Fool's Mind. These are just bits of phrases and excerpts from those quotations, and most probably the answer might be Pope, and there were other options as well. There was a pertinent statement. There is nothing beyond the text, so you had Derrida and Saussure. So you all know that the answer should be Derrida. Then you had questions on Shakespeare quotes. We had discussed how Shakespeare is very important, and you had options like Iago, Casio. Uh, please look up the important quotes that had been there in Shakespeare's works. Then you had a D.H. Lawrence works question. I had mentioned that D.H. Lawrence is a very important writer, and all of his works are important. So we had read the chronology question as well in our discussion in the previous videos. So please look out for that. Then we had Shakespeare's works chronology question. We had mentioned that Shakespeare is very important, so all of his works are important, and you need to understand which work was presented after which work. Then we had R.K. Narayan's works as well. One question was asked that which work was published after independence. So please look out for the video that we had that we had discussed on Indian English. We have discussed all the works of R.K. Narayan, and this might help you to know the answer as well. Then we had discussed the feminist critics. You had a question on feminist critics, such as a match the following question, in which you had Judith Butler's Bodies That Matter and Elaine Showalter's Literature of Our Own. So both of these works had been discussed in the previous videos, so you could easily match the critic's name to the work that they had written. Then you had the question on Kantapura's year of publication. We had discussed it very clearly, and it was 1938. These are certain Indian writers, poets, critics on whom the questions have been asked in a chronology way or in the match the following question. So you had Ira De, Toru Dutt, Michael Madhusudan Dutt, Henry Derozio, Vijay Tendulkar's Silence the Court is in Session was an option. You had Arun Joshi's work, we had Mal Gankur's work, you had Sarojini Naidu's work. We had discussed these writers in an English video. So you might have noticed that during our past exams, we have been asked a lot of questions on Indian English. So please do not leave this section. This section is very important. we had an option on Harindranath as well. You had Kamla Markandeya, then you had Anita Desai's work. Anita Desai's work, Cry the Peacock, was the most famous work, as I had mentioned in the video, and you had one option matching to her name and the book that she had written. So all the others could be very easily spotted out. Then you had Arun Kolatkar's work, you had Kamla Das, you had Gauri Vishwanathan, you had Beth Mehta, you had a question on G.N. Devi as well. Ruskin Bond, Sri Aurobindo, V.K. Gokak, Meenakshi Mukherjee. All of these writers had been one or the other options in all the questions. So please remember these writers are important. Henceforth, you can prepare on these writers for your next exam. Then you had one question on Rabindranath Tagore, especially which book he had written, and you had Chandalika in the option. You had question on A.K. Ramanujan, and you were asked to trace what are the correct options related to Ramanujan's poetry. Then you had Juten, a specific question on Juten as well, where you had to choose the correct options, in which it was given that choose what is the theme of the book, is it an autobiography or not, and things like that. Then you had a question on Jejuri. We had discussed this in the video on Indian English, where you had to spot who is the writer of this work. Then you had a question on Terza Raima, and all the romantic poets and their poems were given in option. So you had Shelley, Byron, and others. So you can easily spot the answer here. Then you had Pablo Neruda's chronology question. You had all his works and you had to arrange them. Then this question, Lang and Perrault, was very important. As I had told you that you might face questions on Lang and Perrault, it was a very easy question, and every time they asked this question, and you had been given very easy options as well without much confusion. So Lang is the structure and Perrault was the utterance that I had mentioned in the video. Um, uh, so this would have been easy for you. Then we had discussed grammar translation method. I had told you what is the basics of this method, and you had a language acquisition skill question and one question on opposition, like which theory is in opposition to GTM method. So you can easily find the answer here. Then I had mentioned while teaching cultural studies about Center of Contemporary Studies established in 1960. You had been asked in which place it is situated. It's a very easy question. You had options like Berkeley and Birmingham. So the answer is Birmingham. Then you had questions on Dalit female writers. This was also a very easy question because everyone knows about Bama, and you had options like Karuku Bama, Urmila Power's work. So you could easily match the following of both the writers and the works. Then you had a question on who is the translator of Maheshwata Devi's Tandaini. So you had Spivak in option, and you can easily spot that she is the correct option. Then you had romantic works chronology question. You just had to arrange it in a chronology manner. If you could remember our romantic poetry video, in that we have discussed about all of these works as well. Then you had certain terms which were asked, like negritude, jetnification, anapest, anaphora, epigraph, epitaph, litotes, epistle. As you know, we had discussed about jetnification, and we had one or the other options on that as well. And you know epistles means letters, and you had a question around that as well, and then litotes. So kindly look out on these terms, and M.H. Abraham will be the best work which you can go to understand all these terms. Then you had a question on Coleridge's work. We had elaborately discussed this. You had all his works in option, and you just had to arrange it. Then you had a question on revenge tragedy. We had discussed about revenge tragedy as well, and you had options like Spanish tragedy, Cymbeline, and two more in line. So you just had to note which was not a revenge tragedy. So that was a question. So I had asked you to be very careful with not and choose the correct options and questions like that. Because in hurry we just miss out on the word not and sometimes we get confused. So please be very careful in your next attempt. You have Gothic literature. You had a question on that. So we had discussed in our social history video, I think, yeah, on Gothic literature. What is the nature of it and who are the writers associated with that? Then you had a question on the last work of George Eliot, and you had some options like Daniel Deronda, Middlemarch, and so on. So the correct option would be Daniel Deronda. Then you had a question on Bacon's work. We have specifically worked on this. You please go to the video and check. We have discussed Bacon's works, and you had a question on that. Then we have Bloomsbury group. We had a question on these writers, like who doesn't use uh, stream of consciousness method. So you had an option Virginia Woolf, James Joyce, Dorothy Richardson, Graham Greene. So you know James Joyce, Virginia, Dorothy, they all had used this method. So you can easily trace out who did not use it. Then you have a question on, you had a question on who is not a new critic. So we had discussed this elaborately, like you had an option Tate, Warren, Brooks, and so on. So you can easily like check this out in cultural studies as well as in literary theory video. Then you had post-colonial books in chronology and you had to arrange it, and certain options as far as I can remember where Orientalism, Can the Subaltern Speak, you had Black Skin, White Marks, so you just had to arrange them. And as you know, if you remember two options with their proper year of publication, you could easily arrange the others as well. So we had discussed that Orientalism was 1978 and Can the Subaltern Speak was 1988. So you could easily arrange them. Then you had a question on practical criticism. What is the nature of practical criticism and what we used to do in practical criticism? You had to just choose the correct options, and we had discussed this as well, so please check out those videos. Then you had a question on psychoanalytic criticism. You had to choose certain correct options regarding this theory. So please check our literary theory as well as cultural studies video. Then you had certain questions on MLA. Before I had discussed the strategy for giving this exam in 10 days, we had discussed there that MLA APA questions have been asked. So kindly look out on the important aspects of these referencing styles. And you had a question on MLA. Then you had a question on who is a critic of blue humanities. This is a very new field, and you had an options like Steve Mintz and certain others. I believe the answer is Steve Mintz. So please check out on blue humanities. Then you had question on Australian Aboriginal writers. We had discussed this as well, like other writers are also asked in the question. Then you had two comprehension. The first one was on mass culture. The comprehension was very easy. If you could read it properly, you would have been able to answer all the questions very easily. Nothing was very confusing or anything of that sort. So you had 5 questions, and I believe you all must have done it correctly. Then you had a question on the poem, and you've been asked a question on a rhyming scheme and the theme. Rhyming scheme was very easy. It was A A B B C C D D, like that. So you have been asked on the meters as well. So it's very important that you should understand what kind of meter the poem has. So these were certain questions. I believe we could manage to discuss 40 questions approximately, because all the options were repeated and that sort. So I will request you to kindly connect with us to help you prepare for your next attempt, and we are looking forward to your contribution and your interaction through comment sections. If you remember any other questions and you would like to share that with us, we will be very happy to have you. Thank you so much.